Your shadow lingers on my window pane, a ghost of summer, soft as falling rain. I trace the silence where your voice used to stay. Now just echoes fading far away. I call your name into the hollow night, but the stars don't answer and the moon won't fight. You left me with the sound of goodbye, a whisper wrapped in lullabies. I sleep in sheets still warm with lies, while love dissolves in quiet skies. Your coffee cup still sits beside the chair, frozen in time like you were never there. I wear your sweater just to feel you near, but fabric can't replace what disappeared. You left me with the sound of goodbye, a whisper wrapped in lullabies. I sleep in sheets still warm with lies, while love dissolves in quiet skies. Maybe silence is the price we pay for loving someone who couldn't stay. I'll keep your memory in minor keys, a song no one else will ever see. You left me with the sound of goodbye, a tear that falls but won't reply.